Hi guys, welcome. This is Diva Dhawan and welcome to my channel Climb Up with Diva. Okay, so straight into the video, we're gonna talk about West Side today, and it's having a lot of collection into their sale 2 plus 1. It's going on right now, and it's like you can see the dresses and jeggings, everything is there. You have to find out things of your size, especially the makeup. It's for 99 and 99 bucks, I mean. And you can find out your lip shades, nail polish. I have this cute jelly lip balm. Okay, so they have some beautiful shades of eyeshadows, so which can be used as a multi-purpose. They have beautiful nail paints and this marine foot scrub. It's like just wow, and you can just check it. The whole collection is over here only. I have done 4 vlogs, and this is my 4th one particularly, and this is I'm dedicating to all my fans and followers over Instagram and over here, because I just had my first 100 subscribers. Yay! So this is for all of you, and apparently the day I am editing, it's Sunday, and I just got my 1,000 subscribers on Instagram. So thank you so much for all the love you are giving to me. This means the whole world to me. I never imagined that this would happen. But okay, coming back to the video, they have a lot of footwear collection also, so you can just check it out. It's really wow. Okay, so talking about the wardrobe section, well, they have some beautiful dresses, and yeah, they are long and they can be worn in summers and winters both. It's like really wow. In official work also you can wear it, team it up with some jackets or coats, whatever you want to. Okay, oh my god, I just found something really great. That's neon, and I just love neon colors. Okay, so you have to check your sizes if you order it online, because here the sizes weren't available. Okay, so talking about the Utsa section, which is for kurtas, it's for 7.99, and in the starting it was for 7.99. Now it's apparently for 5.99, mostly 7.99 for some, yeah. But though you can have it if you like something. Just look at it, it's like really good. I really got some beautiful kurtas. If you want me to make another video onto that, then I would surely, but you have to tell me in comments, and you have to follow me on my Instagram to tell me this thing. So my Instagram handle is glamupwithdiva and diva_dhwn. You can just follow me up there, and you can just tell me what you want that I should make my next video onto. Okay, so going upstairs, it's the kids section, and for the boys also. So checking out the kids section, they have really cute dresses for the little ones, and I really love all the dresses. I wish I was a baby so I could wear all that. Okay, so straight into the video again, and you can just look at it. It's so beautiful. The dresses are really good. The shorts and everything, the little ones would really enjoy wearing all of these. This is the brand Hip Hop, and I guess I have seen it multiple times, because I just love the clothing. Like, they made it so fashionable for the kids. Like, it's really wow. Okay, this is really cute for the newborn baby, you know, the not exactly the born one, yeah, but a little grown up one. It's like really cute. And okay, she's my mother, and she's helping me out with the shoot. I hope you find all these very cute stuff. You can just have a look at it. It's all in the sale and it's really cute. I love this baby pink one. It's so wow. Okay, searching about the frogs and everything, I really loved it. This is so cute. Okay, talking about the home section, they have really lot of stuff. Okay, so you can have a look at it, and this can be used in making your room aesthetic or having that full aesthetic feels. They have some beautiful candles, and I love this plant the most. It's having the perfect stones. And okay, so I was just recording everything I could, like in the best possible ways, whatever was possible for me. I was just recording everything. I hope you really like it. Okay, talking about the known collection for the boys, it's really cool. I just love the prints, I just love the color combinations. It's just wow, and have a look at it, guys. Okay, as the time has come, it's the time for the last thing I have shooted over there in West Side, Lajpat Nagar, and that's it for today. And I'm going back. Have a great day, guys, and have a great shopping time as well.